Welcome to the deep dive. Today, we're jumping straight into the very first steps of prenatal care, and we're zeroing in on the pregnancy blood test. Our guide for this is a fantastic, detailed one from the experts over at Blood Test UK.
A really solid source.
It is. So our mission is to figure out what this test really does, why it's so helpful, and how easily you can get it in local places, like Kirkby, for example. We're keeping it simple, explaining it like you would to a third grader.
Absolutely. And this test, it's really a crucial first step for any expectant mother. It's all about getting fast, accurate answers and, peace of mind.
Okay, let's unpack this then. What exactly is a pregnancy blood test?
It's a vital test that looks for a special helper hormone in your blood. It's called human chorionic gonadotropin.
Or HCG for short.
HCG, yeah. And it's incredibly accurate. It's the gold standard for confirming a pregnancy.
And what about getting one? The guide from Blood Test UK mentions local availability.
That's right. This isn't some rare, hard-to-find test. It's widely available through NHS services all over the UK.
So if you're in a place like Kirkby, or maybe nearby in St. Helens or Knowsley,
you can get this service at your local clinic. It's very accessible.
And here's where it gets really interesting for me. This blood test, it can give you results way earlier than a traditional urine test.
Oh, much earlier. Sometimes as soon as just 1 week after conception.
1 week, that's a huge head start. So why should someone, say, right there in Kirkby, care so much about getting this test done that early?
Well, early detection is just so important. Research shows these tests are critical for monitoring health right from the get-go.
Okay.
They help doctors spot potential problems fast, things like an ectopic pregnancy.
That's when the baby grows in the wrong spot, right?
Exactly, a very serious condition. Or it can even signal a risk of miscarriage. Getting that information early means you can get help in time.
So it's a safety check, essentially.
It is. And for women who might have high-risk pregnancies, regular blood tests can catch conditions like gestational diabetes or preeclampsia early on. It just helps keep both the mother and baby so much healthier.
The Blood Test UK guide also mentions long-term outcomes. What does that mean?
It means the benefits don't just stop after 9 months. Regular testing is linked to better long-term health for both mothers and their children. It sets a better foundation.
Let's talk about the process. I think some people might be worried. Does it hurt?
It's very straightforward. They use a sterile needle, it's a quick pinch, and that's it.
And then it goes to a lab.
Yes.
Yeah.
And they use some pretty advanced tools like automated analyzers and centrifuges. Those are basically machines that spin the blood to get quick, reliable results. And you usually don't even need to fast.
Okay, money talk. What does the guide from Blood Test UK say about the cost?
This is a key point. Through the NHS, these tests are often free, or at least very low cost.
And private clinics.
They might charge, somewhere between 50 and maybe over 200 pounds. But importantly, there are UK government schemes and financial aid available to help cover those costs for low-income families.
So cost shouldn't really be a barrier.
It shouldn't be. Everyone should have access.
So when we boil it all down, what does this all mean? The guide from Blood Test UK really shows that this simple blood test is a powerful tool for early, safe, and accurate pregnancy care right in your local community.
It is, which does raise a bigger question, I think. If this kind of early detection provides such huge economic benefits by cutting down on high-cost emergency care, what other simple health checks could save both money and lives if we just made them more readily available for everyone? Something for you to think about.